Hey, Alicia Novin here, and today I'm going to give you 5 different projects that you can work on to better showcase your technical skills. So crossfade to title slide. The first one is going to be your personal website, which obviously not too surprising there, but that's really where you get to have a lot of fun. You can be yourself, be creative, just be you and share things like your project, share experiments, and even just have fun with the JavaScript that you might code on your website. You know, make it interactive, make it different. So the second thing is to build a full stack app. And that can be a web-based app, could be a desktop application, or even a mobile application. Whatever it is, just make sure you have the various layers. You know, your front-end UI, your middle business logic layer, and then a data access layer. And when you're uploading your code to GitHub, even include your database schema, your stored procs, and your SQL queries. And whatever that app is, you figure out what the purpose behind it is. You know, you could be making a blog, it could be a Facebook or TikTok competitor, you know, whatever social network you want to build. The point isn't what the product is designed to do, but it gives a hiring manager the perspective of what you've been exposed to and the types of challenges that you've taken on. It shows your design thinking, your software and architecture capabilities, and it just helps stand out because you're not just focusing on one layer or one aspect of a project. It doesn't need to be a full-blown project. It can be pretty small, but as long as it has those 3 layers, it shows a lot. Number 3 is to build something that is computationally intensive. You could be parsing information, manipulating large amounts of data, whatever it is, just have fun with it, but do something that is interesting from just a pure computer processing power perspective. And then work on optimizing it. So when you know its limitations, you can start to figure out about how to make it better, how to make it faster. And those are the kinds of things you want to document in your change log and just put it out there so that people can see the improvements that you make. That really shows a lot more core kind of optimizations, big O, little o kind of stuff. And that'll really stand out because it shows a different way of thinking. So number 4 is to integrate with third parties. And that can be third-party libraries, it can be an API, especially web-based. Don't just consume them though, add value to them. So it can be as simple as just providing a graphical front-end interface into an API that someone else has built, or you can just extend it and build it into something that's bigger. Whatever it is, just show that you can interact with and consume other people's code. And I mentioned web-based libraries, and that's really great because it also shows your ability to handle asynchronous calls and latency, networking kind of issues, and those are real-world problems that a lot of people deal with. So showing that capability really stands out. All right, number 5 is probably my favorite. If you've not done it, I really recommend trying it at least once or twice, and it's a great creative one. Make a video game. Do they call them video games anymore? I don't know. But make a game. And I'm serious, games force you to think in very different ways. They use different skills and different kind of, they're different opportunities to do things that you normally otherwise wouldn't do, like focusing on things like collision detection and bounding box rules, or the different ways that a user can interact with something. You can even use and explore things like the A-star pathfinding algorithm, or if you recall what you did back in high school with trigonometry or physics, there's lots of different things that you can explore when you're making a video game. And they're really just playgrounds for you to build something fun. And it can be 3D, 2D, you can do it in Unity, mobile, JavaScript, whatever. Just have fun, explore, and really just think through the type of game. And again, just present that up on your GitHub, put some screenshots there, and just make it something that is that pulls the person in. And I think that really help you. Whenever I see a candidate have 1 or 2 or 3 of these things, they always stand out. If they have all 5, they are the type of person that I am doing everything I can to get them on my team. They show a different way of thinking, each one of them. And that's really important because you don't want to find someone who's just done the same kind of thing and they've repeated it over and over. And you want someone who's doing something beyond just what they might have done in the boot camp or their coursework or a project that they've done with multiple people. These are things that you get to think through, that you do the design work for it, and it really just stands out. So I hope this has been helpful to you. I really hope that you take one of these challenges on, share it with me. And I also run this podcast called Increments.dev. It's where we create the space to really focus in on a lot of the more growth aspects of our technical careers. I hope you check it out. Go to Increments.dev and we'll talk soon. Thanks.